Where should I start?
Oh, thank you for helping me, sweetheart. You can start with this. You can... the living room, yeah?
Alright, I'll dust the living room with a duster.
Yes, you can dust. Then you can use this one for the furniture. And you can... yeah, I wipe. Yes, wipe it.
With this cleaner, right?
Exactly, with that one.
Alright.
You can use this thing, like... yeah?
Oh, such a cute vacuum cleaner. It's like a baby. Alright, yes, I'll vacuum.
And then for the floors, the liquid is already here. Just add some water and the floors, yeah?
Yeah, I'll mop up the floors. I'll get started.
I'm gonna take a nap. Thank you.